mud play. Yes! I love mud. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need a bit of mud in some sort of container, which maybe you can find some if you go to a local park on your walk today. You might need some water, so you can pour some water into your mud and make it a bit more gloopy. You might want some animals to put in there so that you can make a mud home for all your animals. You might want a paintbrush so you can do some mud painting. You might also want to wear some clothes that don't matter if they get a little bit muddy. And you might want to do this activity in an area which doesn't matter if it gets a little bit muddy. And for all the grown-ups out there, please make sure you do supervise this activity closely and expect that everybody involved is going to get a bit muddy. I'm going to go and find me some mud and maybe some trowel and maybe some other bits and bobs that I can use with my mud play today. Hey, look what's in there! A leaf! There's a leaf in there! It feels really soft. Nice mud. Splat, 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 splat.
You love worms?
I love worms. Yeah, I do. I love worms. Do you love worms?
That two worms in there. Like that.
Not like that. That's right. Oopsie! Whoopsie! I've got wet feet now. Look. Splash, 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 splash.
Okay, I got my socks.
Yeah, maybe I'll take my socks off. It might be better.
You can get your feet wet.
And now I get my feet wet. Splishy, splashy, splosh. Splishy, splashy, splosh. Splish, splish. Oh, it's going to make some real nice mud. Look at that. Oh, good one. Stir, stir, stir. Can I stir with this? Yeah. Whoa. Squelchy mud. Very splashy mud.
That's what our feet.
Go on then, put your feet in. Ooh. Is it going between your toes? Yay! Splashy mud feet! Yeah! Splashy mud feet!
Yeah! Yeah! Blessy mud feet! Just like dinosaurs.
Like dinosaurs with muddy feet, that's right. Splashy muddy footprints. Splashy footprints, splashy muddy footprints. Ah, it's a bit slippery. I like that we can. That's fun. Good footprints. Look, it goes in a trail. Maybe I'll follow your trail. Okay, let's go. Whoa, so slippery. Yay. Yeah, roll those sleeves up. Okay, go. Yeah. Nice, lovely. I thought that this tree needed a lick of paint. Lovely, jubbly. What glorious mud paint you've made, Len. Whoopsie. We got some on your face. Woohoo! Lovely. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Good splashing. Look, you've splashed all the way up here. Oh, and on my hand. Oh, look at my leg. Yeah. Oh! Are you splashing me? Oh, I've got the spoon now. I've got the spoon now. Friends, thank you so play today. We've done mud play. Big thank you to Len for helping me out with my mud play. Have a good weekend, friends. See you on Monday for Manufacture Monday.